Hi guys, welcome to Lovely's Trendings. And also, sorry, this is my new account. The other one I'm also using it, but this one is the new one that I just want to introduce to everyone. People will be saying, "Well, why is Lovely wearing scarf?" Yeah, today I feel like wearing a scarf, but I can remove my scarf. I've not really done my brushing and nah, I've not really done anything. So, guys, please, if you want to know how to make money here in Ghana, don't hesitate to definitely give me a call out. Or if you don't really understand this video, leave a comment on the comment section. Ask me question. I have one of my students on my old account and still using. It's called Richard. He's asking me a lot of questions about Lovely. I just want to know the things that you have been doing to get money and all that. I've been very busy these days because of my business that I'm doing now, and I'm very tired. And always, my business needs me to always put on scarf. So sorry for that, and this is very sorry and sorry again, Richmond. Yeah, Richmond and Richard here. You put to pardon me, but I hope this video helps you. And a lot of people will be saying that Lovely. I'll be saying, why is the video not coming? It's been very long time. It's been years. I'm not sure that it's been years, but it's been months because my business is very busy and the time I wake up is in the midnight. Yes, early in the morning, like by 4, my business, I've opened my businesses, everything is ready to be sold out. So that's why becoming now I just closed and I'm very tired, but I just need to do this video of apologizing to all my followers and my fans and all that. And guys, watch out because I've been uploading a lot of videos on how to make money here in Ghana. And yes, I'm very back. Hey, Lovely is back. Oh, Madam Madam V. Yes, you are my favorite, and also I'll be calling you, be asking of you, and it's been a long time. Yeah, I know it's been a long time. You have been asking me to Lovely, please come back, and now I have come back. Yeah, because the business I've been doing and all that, it's been taking all my time, all my attention, everything. So I'll be uploading videos on how to make money, how to create your account, how to cash out on PayPal, how to cash out on PayPal to your Momo account. Hey, Open can't share that one. I am Lovely. I'll be teaching you this. A lot of people will be saying that PayPal is not allowed here in Ghana, but me. If you want to know more things about my PayPal account and the videos I've been making here, follow me on my YouTube channel. Yeah, follow me on my YouTube channel. And I'm very, very, very tired, and I'll not be saying a lot of things here now, but you need to follow me on my YouTube channel because I'll be uploading a lot of things there. And also, my YouTube channel too is two. Yes, my YouTube channel too is two. So you can go there. I'll leave the link on my description here on my new channel and go there and just see everything. But to cash out, how to make this video and all that, and how to CapCut it details by details, more Charlie, more. If I said I'm saying this, it will take a lot of time for me because now maintenance here, I'm just standing here and filming this video. So I just want you to know that I'm here for you. Yes, I'm here for you, and I'm just here for you because you see that I'm all dressed, but I just wear a scarf. Yeah, and this one is very tiring, and I just need some nappy, and so I'll be just leaving this video very soon. So watch out, guys. Watch out, and how to animate your videos, how to animate your videos, AI content creations. And if you want me to make a video on how to make a designing fly of your logos, everything, and blah blah, like a lot of things, make those kind of videos, leave it on the comments. Just write it everything there. If you don't really understand, write everything there, so because I will definitely come there and see what you wrote, and I'll be replying you anytime, any day. So don't worry. ASAP. And let's see if this dancing skill, now you're going to cash out. Big time. This one, you cash out $100. I bet you. If you really know that, hey, Lovely will feel me. Hey, me, I don't feel. The last time I just created an account. And on one of my websites, it's an online app store and Apple Store too, and like anyone can go there. If you have an Android, Apple, anything, if you have it, you can definitely go there. And I just created that account just roughly. I just delicately created this account, and it was amazing. I just did it, and I said that really, and working being Lovely bakery tadi and working. I do everything not according from is you make a lot of mistakes, but this one I just did it very very well. I just did it very very well, and it worked. The last, let's say, 2 to 4 days, I just received a call, 30 missed calls. Like a lot of people are saying, "Oh, Lovely, please, I just want to come to your boutique. I want to come to your stores and all that." And I said that, please, madam, I don't really have a store right now, because at first I have a store, but when I told this and I just stopped. So that's why you can see my symbol there and all that, but I'm not there again. I have stopped for now. So now I'm doing an online store, and yes, they ordered it out, Charlie. They ordered it too. Hey, Charlie, they ordered it, and it was working. It was very working, and I said that, wow, Lovely. I thought it won't work, but it boom, it worked. So what are you waiting for? Click it on the. Let's make this video. If you want me to make a video of anything that write it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. ASAP. Bye bye. Love you too. Love you all. And see you on my next video. That's one I'll be more serious. My seriousness is always my joke. I saw. My joke is always my seriousness. So guys, watch out. Coming soon. Bye bye.